everyone, my name is Jacqueline and I'm on the MakeCode team here at Microsoft.
And I'm Cyan.
And today we're going to show you how you can make and code your very own BMO music box using Adafruit's Circuit Playground Express. So Cyan, can you tell me a little bit about who BMO is?
BMO is a character from Adventure Time and is best friends with Jake the dog and Finn the human.
That's right. So as well as this video, you can find instructions for how to do this project online at aka.ms/MakeCodeCN for Cartoon Network. We've also written it here, and you can find this BMO music box project as well as lots of different Cartoon Network MakeCode projects too. All right, let's start with making BMO, shall we? Now we're ready to attach our Circuit Playground Express and our battery packs to BMO. So to do this, you can use regular Scotch tape, or you can use heavier duty duct tape. That's right. Stick it onto the back of your Circuit Playground Express board. And then we're going to put the Circuit Playground Express on the very top of your BMO, just like that. Then you can tape your battery pack onto the back of BMO, like so, using some duct tape or regular Scotch tape. Alright, so to code your BMO, the first thing you'll want to do is open a browser to MakeCode.com and click on the blue Circuit Playground Express tile and create a new project. You'll also want to take the USB cable that came with your Circuit Playground Express kit and plug the small end into your Circuit Playground Express board and the big end of the cable into your computer.
In the MakeCode editor for Circuit Playground Express, you'll see on the left side of our screen something that looks like a Circuit Playground Express. This is called the simulator, and this will show us what our code looks like running on the board before we actually download it. In the middle here is our toolbox, and this has all sorts of fun blocks of code that we can use to drag and drop onto our workspace, where we'll be constructing our program. So the first thing I want you to do for our BMO Music Box project is delete this block. So to delete blocks, you can simply drag and drop them onto the toolbox. See how it turns red here? Just go ahead and drop it, and then it's gone. Then open up the Loops Toolbox category, the green one, and find this OnStart block. And go ahead and drag and drop that block onto your workspace. Then open up your Light Toolbox drawer and find the Set All Pixels block here. It's the third block down. And drag and drop this into our OnStart block. This will set all of the pixel lights on our Circuit Playground to one color. And let's go ahead and set this to blue for BMO to start off with. The next thing I want you to do is open up your Input Toolbox drawer and find this On-Shake block. Now notice all of these blocks have to do with computer inputs. So these inputs trigger an action. For example, when I press button A on my Circuit Playground Express, or when I shake it. So go ahead and drag and drop this On-Shake block. Now when you click on this drop-down menu here, you can see you have several different options besides just shaking it. There's tilt up, tilt down, and so what we're going to do is select tilt left. So whatever code is in this event here in this block will happen when we tilt the Circuit Playground to the left. So then open up your Light Toolbox drawer and find this Show Ring block, this big block at the top here, and drag and drop this into our On Tilt block, On Tilt Left block. Now this block we can design our own lights here using this color wheel. So I'm going to select yellow, and I'm going to turn on the lights on the left side of our board, colored them yellow, and I'm going to turn off the lights on the right side of the board. And to turn off lights, I can select this gray color and just color the lights gray. All right, and then we'll want to do the same thing on tilt right. And an easy way to do this is simply to right-click on the block and select Duplicate. And it will make a duplicate block. And notice it's grayed out. This is because there can't be two on tilt lefts in our program. So we're going to use this drop-down menu to select on tilt right instead. And for this one, I'm going to color the lights green on the right side. And I'm going to turn off the lights on the left side, like so. All right. And then the next thing we want to do, maybe we want to have something happen when we shake our BMO. So I'm going to drag and drop this block here on shake. And this time I'm going to go to my light toolbox drawer and find this show animation block. And I'm going to drag and drop this show animation block into my on shake block. And notice when I click on this drop down menu, I have a variety of different animations I can choose from. I'm going to leave the default rainbow colored one since that's my favorite. And I can select a duration for this animation. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 2 seconds or 2000 milliseconds. The last thing we're going to do is add some music to our program. So open up your music toolbox drawer and you'll see this very first block here, this play sound block. Go ahead and grab that and drag and drop it into your on tilt left block. And if you click on the menu here, you can see you have a variety of different pre-built sounds for us. So I'm going to select one sound for this. And then for the tilt right, I'm going to get another block and drag and drop it over here. And I'm going to select jump down. So we have jump up and jump down. And for our on shake, let's play another sound. How about magic wand? That's one of my favorites. Okay, and so that's it for our program. Go ahead and name your program here. So I'm going to name mine BMO. And then select download. And this will download our program from the browser into a program file. And there's a three-step instruction here for what you need to do. If you haven't already, go ahead and plug your Circuit Playground Express into your computer via the USB cable. If the lights aren't already green, go ahead and press and release that reset button right in the middle of the board to get it into programming mode and turn all the lights green. And then you're gonna drag and drop that program file onto the C Play Boot drive that will have shown up as a USB drive on your computer. So in this case, I see that my program file has been saved here into the downloads folder. So I'm going to select show in folder, and this will show me my program here in my downloads folder. And you'll see the C Play Boot drive here. It's showing up as a D drive for me. I'm just going to drag and drop this file right onto C Play Boot here.
Thanks for watching.
We hope you had fun making your very own BMO music boxes. Happy making and coding. Bye!
Bye.